Top Dog Properties, the next generation of real estate companies. A brokerage where the brokerage works for you, the broker. We created Top Dog as a small company in thought, but with large company benefits. A few examples of what makes us a leader in real estate company innovations are there are 0 company fees. That's right, you do the work, you reap the benefits. Your listings, your clients, your buyers, and your contacts are yours and yours alone in our company. And we are not just a local company, but we also have a large international footprint. Top Dog is a brokerage without borders. As a broker, you can sell throughout Colorado and will soon be able to help your clients with finding that perfect vacation home in sunny Mexico. And with our in-house translators for Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, and even sign language, your client base is endless. We have a full staff for compliance that works closely with Dora, a transaction coordinator, along with top-of-the-line training programs. We also have a personal financial planner and a website designer for our brokers' personal websites and much more. And that's just the beginning of the incredible benefits when you join Top Dog Properties. Our reward-based commission structure is second to none. Imagine being part of a company with one of the most dynamic commission structures in the industry, increasing with every transaction and again with every million in sales volume. We encourage you to grow your team, and your commission will increase with every broker that you recruit, and we will pay you 2.5% of their commission for every transaction they make. At Top Dog Properties, you are never on your own. We encourage teamwork, so your commission increases when you assist a broker on their listing. And we are constantly exploring various revenue streams to help you build your wealth through passive income. At the end of the year, you share in the profits. Here at Top Dog, we are all about the brokers. At Top Dog, we will make sure that we have you covered when it's time to help your clients buy and sell. Along with our expanded market into Mexico, we have a private lending company for Mexico as well as Colorado, offering special financing for your Mexico purchases. Today is the day to get control of your future, to take the next step in your career and financial freedom. Today is the day to join Top Dog Properties.
Top Dog Properties, the brokerage that works for you, the broker. If this sounds like it'd be a good fit for you, please reach out to us. We'd love to talk to you.